The Chevy Malibu from 2016 to 2025 uses either a manual lever or an electronic button to open the fuel door, depending on the model year. Gasoline-powered Malibus have a traditional fuel door on the rear driver's side. Newer models from 2023 to 2025 typically feature an electronic push-button release inside the car, often on the driver's side door panel or center console. Older models from 2016 to 2022 use a physical lever, usually located near the driver's seat. Hybrids have a smaller gas cap in addition to a charge port. This fuel door covers the fuel filler neck and gas cap. The release mechanism disengages a latch, allowing the door to open. First, ensure the vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. Next, locate the release. For 2016-2022 models, pull the fuel door release lever inside the vehicle. For 2023-25 models, press the electronic button marked with a gas pump icon. If the electronic button fails, access the trunk and locate the manual release cable, a small tab or lever. Pull the cable to open the door. Finally, push the fuel door outward to access the gas cap. Remember to securely replace the gas cap after refueling and close the fuel door until it clicks shut.